Good morning. My name is Teja Sampati. I am studying in second class. My school name is Kakatiya English Medium School. Ma, Mata, mother. Bap, Pita, father. Bhai, brother. Bahan, sister. Dada, grandfather. Father's father. Dadi, grandmother. Father's mother. Nana, grandfather. Mother's father. Nani, grandmother. Mother's mother. Beta, son. Beti, daughter. Chacha, uncle. Chachi, aunt. Pati, husband. Mama, maternal uncle. Bahu, daughter-in-law. Damad, son-in-law.